guys, so today I'm going to show you a no heat way to curl your hair. Now this makes a very beachy, fun, casual way to wear your hair. Now usually my hair is like dead straight, but today I was bored of straight hair. So now look at this, casual, wavy, and very natural looking. So stay tuned. Start off with your hair about 70% dry. Brush out all the knots and tangles. To wash my hair, I use Trader Joe's Refresh shampoo and conditioner. I use Aussie's Catch the Wave mousse with a flexible hold. Don't use too much of the product. Flip your hair over and massage in the mousse right at the roots. This will lift the hair. Find your part. I tend to part it at the side. Then, I use Aussie's Sprunch hairspray with a strong hold. Make sure it's in there. Take your index finger and separate your hair into two sides and pull it to the front. Oops. Take a hair tie. And secure one half of your hair. You don't want it to get in the way while you're French twisting the other side. Here comes the fun part. Take a sufficient amount of hair. Brush out all the knots and tangles. Split it in half. Put one on top of the other and add hair to that part that you had on the top. Keep repeating this process until you get to the end. Make sure you have all the stray hairs. Get an elastic. Sorry, it's a little tangled. Take the elastic and secure the ends. I'm going to do the other side off camera so I don't bore you guys. So I finished French twisting my hair and I put them into buns because I am one crazy sleeper. Yeah, I toss and turn a lot. So I put it in buns for extra security. So I'm going to go to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning, guys. And I think I'm ready to take out these French twists. So I'm going to start with the one that I did first. First, take out the hair tie that holds the bun. Then pull out the elastic. As you can tell, it got very messy. Pull out the French twists. With that beachy natural wave. Now we do the other one. Again, starting with the hair tie that holds the bun. Ooh, look how messy this one got. Pull out the elastic. I mean, these things are very cheap, so you could probably just rip it if you can't get it out of your hair. Pull out the French twists. And look how beachy and natural this look is. And if you need extra styling, I would add just a little bit more mousse. I wouldn't use a curling iron to style this because that beats the whole purpose of no heat. So, scrunch this up. This time, focusing on your ends a little bit more. As you can tell, this got a lot of volume. And then, take your scrunch spray, spray all around, and scrunch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let down. Scrunch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. Now you have a beachy, fun, very natural looking wave. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Bye guys!